Octopus ragù lasagne is a twist on the classic Italian dish. Ingredients: 1 kilogram of cleaned octopus, 500 milliliters of tomato puree, 1 white onion, 2 cloves of garlic, a glass of dry white wine, extra virgin olive oil, a bunch of fresh parsley, chopped, 200 grams of fior di latte mozzarella, optional for a more Italian touch, grated Parmesan, as much as needed for gratin, fresh basil for garnish. Start by cleaning the octopus, if you haven't already purchased it cleaned. Then brown the chopped onion and garlic in extra virgin olive oil, and add the octopus cut into pieces. Deglaze with the white wine, and add the tomato puree, salt, pepper, and some of the chopped parsley. Let it cook for about an hour and a half. Assemble the lasagna in a baking dish by alternating layers of pasta, octopus ragù, and mozzarella, ending with ragù, parmesan, and fresh basil. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for about 25-30 minutes. Let it rest before serving to allow the layers to set. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to discover all the recipes and visit our website. The lasagna with octopus ragù is a variant that combines the flavors of the sea with the tradition of baked pasta. Enjoy this tasty reinterpretation.